Morning students, my name is Samita and I have done Master of Computer Application and I also qualified UGC NET JRF in Computer Science, and I have a teaching experience of near about 7 to 8 years in different institutions. I taught to school student as well as to graduate and postgraduate students, and I also have a good academics. Even I completed my Master of Computer Application with distinction. So today I will try to teach you the concept of Python with the help of programming language. Okay, we will do the practical. So yes, firstly we are using the Google Colab. We will open the notebook. So simply open the notebook. You can just open any new notebook. So I just opened the notebook. Just a minute, it's taking time to open. So that's yes, this is already I have done the lot of coding. So no problem, you can simply go to the file and take the new notebook. Okay, you can take the new notebook. So by taking the new notebook, there will be a whole code where you can write the code. Okay, this is the coding part where you can write your code and you can access this code. So firstly, I would like to introduce about the Python. What is Python? Python is a programming language, and it is an object-oriented programming languages with where we use functions, classes, objects, constructors, destructors, and we can solve the real life problems. Okay, and it is an interpreted language as it run the code line by line. Okay, so firstly we simply write the code, and we simply add the two numbers using the pythons. For example, here in python we no need to write the data type. We simply write a is a variable, and we take the value a as a 5, and take the another variable b, we take the value it's 6, and then we take the another variable c and simply add a plus b. So when you print c, you write in the python programming, you have to write the print c. When you print c, you will run the code, you will get the answer. So see, it's just running, and it will give the answer that what is the output of c. C will be 5 plus 6, that is 11. Maybe due to the low internet connection, it's taking time. Just a minute. Yes, C. So 11 is the answer. Now I want to take the another example. So simply we have to just take the code. This is the another part of the code, and we want to take means subtraction, and yes, there is no need to write the data type. What type of data? For example, here we have taken 5 and 6 as an integer. Automatically a and b becomes the integer data type. Okay, integer type variables. Okay, and it will give the result 11. Okay, we can also take the data of any type, and it gives the result accordingly. For example, we have a is equal to 5. Okay, b is equal to 6.5. Okay, and when we write c is equal to a a plus b, and we simply write print c, simply write print c, see the result. What is the result of this? Execute it. 11.5. Automatically it changes its data type depending on the data. So as a c and c++, we have to mention that what type of data we are taking, either integer type of a or float type of b. Float means decimal type value, integer means is this the integer type, either it is a positive or a negative. So this is the integer character type data we can take. So they are the different data types we used here, and we have no need to means write the specially data type. So these are the simple examples. Okay, now take the another code. Now you want you take the input from the user, and you want to print the same addition of from the user data type. Okay, so what we will do, simply take the a as int. Okay, and here we have to mention a means we want to take the integer type of data into the a, and we take input, and we take enter the value of a. Okay, so any statement you can write inside that. Similarly, we take the b, and you can simply copy paste it, just control C and control V. Okay, and instead of A we will write B. Okay, then what we will do, simply write C is equal to A plus B, and then enter. You will print C. Okay, let's see what the result is. So it will ask you enter the value of a and then enter the value of b. It will take from the user. Okay, it is asking from the user take the value of a. So okay, I will adding 8 here, then enter. It's asking the enter the value of b. Suppose I entered 9. Now I will have to enter 9. Okay, that is the integer data type. So answer is 8 plus 9 is 17. Done. Okay, and if I again execute it, now I suppose I take it 5.5. Okay, then again in b, it's executing, just a minute. Yes, it's taking time to execute because I have entered the value wrong. That is the float data type. So that's why it's creating the problem. Okay, I entered the 5. See, it's how instantly it give the response. So when I enter the B6, when you enter, it will give the result. Yes, what type of execution interrupted by the user? Okay, no problem, I will again execute. A is 5 and B is 7. C, the answer is 12. That was taking the error because it was handling I was entered 5.5, so it cannot take the 5.5 as the int. If we want to take the float, so simply we take the another code. We simply copy this code. Okay, and instead of int I'm writing here float. Okay, simply I'm writing here float, and yes, we can take this. And similarly here int, we will make the another float. Now print C and B, and then okay, execute it. Now you can enter the float value 5.6 and then 7.8. See, it will give the answer into the float data type. So when
वीडियोस बनाने हैं फिल्मोरा है ना।